Are you a high-earning professional or entrepreneur struggling with complex tax filings? Managing tax returns, deductions, and year-round planning can be overwhelming. Afin Advisory brings you the premium tax filing plus year-round advisory kit, an all-in-one solution with unlimited expert support and strategic planning. Instead of handling tax queries and filings individually, this kit bundles everything under one dedicated expert. Number 1. Unlimited filing support. Get end-to-end support for all your tax filings. Include unlimited one-on-one video consultation with tax expert handling of complex income and deductions, multiple revisions and real-time query resolution, support for salaried, freelance and business income. Number 2. Tax calculation. Understand your taxes and optimize legally. Includes detailed line-by-line explanation of tax calculations, identification of tax-saving opportunities, deduction and exemption optimization, investment planning advice for tax efficiencies. Number 3. Monthly tax planning sessions. Plan your taxes strategically all year round. Includes monthly advisory session by video calls, proactive tax planning strategies, investment timing guidance, compliance calendar, management to avoid missed deadlines. Number 4. Dedicated priority support. Get fast personalized support wherever you need. It includes dedicated tax expert assignment, priority queuing for all queries, 24-hour response guarantee, direct access to your assigned expert for guidance. Managing complex taxes individually can be confusing and time-consuming. With the premium tax filing plus year-round advisory kit, you get unlimited support, strategic planning, and priority expert guidance all in one comprehensive package. With Afin Advisory, you get dedicated expert with experience in high income and complex cases, unlimited support for all filings and queries, proactive tax planning to minimize liability, priority assistance to avoid last-minute stress. This kit is perfect for high-earning professionals and entrepreneurs, freelancers with multiple income streams, business owners with complex tax situations, anyone looking for unlimited tax support and strategic advisory throughout the year. Stay tax smart, compliant, and stress-free with the premium tax filing plus year all-round advisory kit from Afin Advisory. You can visit our website www.afinadvisory.com. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tax and compliance insight.